Jesus is Lord forever. This one they come from Rita Edochie, and according to matter wey reach us, he post am after we hear matter say that Jesus don die, na so she come outside. Abeg, I no know because when nobody just ask me any question. She come outside, come post say Jesus is Lord forever. The Lord Almighty made me a strong woman, and that will remain. The seed cannot be killed. Now my people, different if una dey see different things wey dey happen now, everybody don come outside dey give us meaning of this thing wey she come post. And the problem now wey me I get, see, if she like make she post anything wey she wan post, but my own problem right now be say this thing wey you dey come post at this time na the right time to post am, first of all. Because see, we all watch video wey she do for Odumeje church, and now that Jesus don go, now you dey come outside dey post say the seed cannot be killed, Jesus is Lord forever, he made you a strong woman, this one. Abeg, again, anybody wey dey watch me now wey no know say Jesus is Lord and this, we all know. So I don't understand where this, and na the problem now everybody gets, because some people now don't they tell me say about Aproko, meaning say she happy as she go or something. I don't know, because as I told before, me nobody has anything. So my people are beg, I don't want believe say this woman come out of this one. I don't want may be like say the things wey people they talk about now are true. I don't know why she come post them, but it no make sense at this time. No, imagine, meaning say they send the wrong message, even if you know be you killer. No, which message you they pass? Now, wait till people go start they think. I don't know whether I even they get my point. You and person get issue, then person can't die. Then you now carry your phone, go post this kind of thing. Wait till you think say people go start they talk about. The seed cannot be broken. Which seed? You understand? So now everybody don't they question this this thing where she go right. Everybody they question. I mean to the question, no, because I must know which seed. What is the meaning of this seed cannot be broken? Now people are still, I beg, if you know say they watch, you they related to all this I don't know whether na proverbs I go call them, I be quotes. You know the meanings. I beg make you help us, because all of us they find answers now. I don't know. But some people, any asha, may they not talk say that from my mouth, they yell and do this one. But this woman, the place where I've been put on before. The place where I've been put this woman before. I know they joke with the movie, so if I just see say she dey inside, that's why I go just, hey, I must watch that movie. After this thing happen, I bet I not talk anything, no. But after this thing happen, it don't bring her down. Like completely down. I know they joke. Some people now they call name of God anyhow. They don't even know what they use. They like, you know, understand, everybody if you come outside now, call them, even person way you know waiting they put in hand inside. He go still come outside. Now God is this, God is this. I don't know whether she they do so that people go feel say she believe in God. You know, say anytime when people hear God, they see you as one saint. I beg. Make una know they deceived. I know to say she do am, I know to say she no do am, but make una know they deceived, because even devil himself they call God. Yes, devil himself knows God. So I know not see some things don't they move me again. No. If you like, come outside, read the whole Bible off head. If you like, see who you are is who you are. And now why I see the talker say come they read, and the truth will surely prevail. Even if that Jesus don't go, even if it will take 10 years, oh my people, the truth will come out. That is the most important thing. You understand? Yes. So I beg, I say make una know because all of us we don't wait. Make she come outside, come talk something or do major since the girl don't go. We don't wait for their speech, and this one are the immediate thing where this woman post. Now why I say I will bring and come on the side. So I beg, if you sabi interpret all these kind of things, the seed cannot be broken and things, because start they put that out there. We need to know what it means and where it's going to. Very, very important. I beg, let me share this video so that everybody go know say she has spoken after that Jesus died. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you know go miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.